Welcome back to a glimpse inside my homemaking journey. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the cleaning tasks that I do in the morning, as well as including a full week's grocery haul from Trader Joe's. First step every morning after getting ready is coffee. For those of you that are new, my name's Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. I am a wife and part-time working mom to 3 boys, ranging in age from 16 down to 4 years old. I hope that this channel is a little slice of motivation to other moms, to make you feel like it's alright to slow down, live a little bit more simplified life, and enjoy the little things along the way. As many homemakers know, some days start off smoother than others. Today would be an example of a day that was going well. It's 7 a.m., I'm already dressed, my makeup's on, my hair's back, the children are dressed, and they're eating breakfast, which is freeing up some time for me to focus on some household chores. First, unloading the dishwasher. I run my dishwasher every evening, and as I've discussed in other videos, the goal every morning is to unload it first thing. Though as we know, sometimes life gets a little chaotic and that doesn't actually end up happening. Once the dishes are done, we move on to the next chore, laundry. I have had countless laundry routines over the years. I've had routines where one day a week I do all of the laundry for the entire house, though currently I'm focusing on 1 to 2 loads a day, trying to put an emphasis on starting a load first thing in the morning to ensure that it happens. Today, master bedroom linens is on the list. I'm going to strip the bed, get everything into the washing machine, and allow the mattress to breathe a little throughout the day. The monotonous task of laundry can feel like such a burden to some homemakers. If you have a method or a system that you feel works well in your household to tackle this chore, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. I'm always looking for new tips and tricks and ways to make this process go a little bit smoother. The final thing I'll be doing before heading off to the grocery store and dropping the children at their summer camps is vacuuming. I don't like to vacuum too early in the morning. If the children are still sleeping, I feel like that would be an awful way to wake up. Hello, I am back from Trader Joe's and I'm gonna go ahead and show you all of the items that I picked up for this week's grocery haul. I did buy some household items and I think that the total was $237.50. Talked about this before, but our grocery budget is $250 each week for a family of 5, and that does include any household items that I buy when I'm at the store. First, I bought 2 bags of these Jazz apples. My kids eat an apple every day, and so we always buy tons of apples. I do like them at Trader Joe's. These little mini apples are the perfect size where the kids aren't wasting them by not eating the full thing and then throwing half an apple away. Next, one of my children likes these mini bell peppers. I will just hand these to him as a snack, or I'll chop them up and include them in dinner. On the meal plan this week, we are doing deli sandwiches. I I'm only seeing one right now, but I purchased several things of deli meat. Recently, I talked about buying flowers. I love getting them at Trader Joe's. They're by far the best deal. A dozen white roses was $7.99, and then I bought some eucalyptus for $3.99. This is gonna make a really pretty arrangement. And these smell so good. Even the cashier, when I was checking out, was commenting on how nice these flowers smell. Next, this sharp cheddar cheese. These are just perfect for a quick snack for my husband, myself, or I don't know if any of the kids will eat just a piece of cheese like this, but if the kids want it, they can have it as well. Hot dogs, we have leftover hot dog buns from the 4th of July, so I wanted to get enough hot dogs to make those as maybe like a weekend lunch for the kids. More lunch meat, so we got ham for our sandwiches. I love that Trader Joe's has this grass-fed Angus beef. I'm gonna use this one night to make tacos, and it comes already frozen, which is nice. We also like to keep these in the freezer. It's the chicken fried rice. This cooks up in, it says it cooks up in 5 minutes. My husband can throw this on the Blackstone. We can put it in a fry pan, and on a night where I'm in a hurry or I just don't feel like cooking dinner, I will just cook up a couple of these, and it's got chicken, veggies, and a grain in it. So kids all like that. String cheese, another snack. 2 bags of carrots. My kids will also just eat carrots as a snack. Oftentimes my teenage son will eat an entire bag of carrots as a snack. Lettuce for salads and our sandwiches. I'm also gonna make tacos one night, so I got lettuce for that. I have shared on my channel before a pork belly recipe that we like to make in the summer. We bought a pork belly for one of my kids' birthday, and we didn't end up using the whole thing. So my husband cut it in half, and we have half left in the freezer. We like to serve that with coleslaw and with rice. So I bought a thing of coleslaw. I'm gonna pull out the other half of that pork belly, and we'll do that one night this week. And then a gigantic thing of organic strawberries. Let's see what else we have here. Every weekend, my husband makes the kids bacon, pancakes, eggs. Sometimes he makes hash browns, so we were out a pancake mix. 2 things of coffee. This is my favorite coffee. I like the medium roast Joe's pre-ground coffee. I think that they come in K-cups too if you have a Keurig. Ketchup for the prepper pantry. I always like to have a backup of condiments out there on the pantry shelves. My husband likes green olives. He'll snack on those. Rice to go with the pork belly. Running out of room here. My teenage son will eat these. You might take him to work with him. One night we're doing a stir fry. Normally I make my own stir fry sauce, but I saw this General Tso's stir fry pre-made sauce. I didn't even look at what was in it, but I thought that this would be nice to try. With taco night, we've never had Trader Joe's queso before. One of my kids really likes chips and queso, so I thought we would give that a try. 2 of my kids are obsessed with these pickles from Trader Joe's. These specific pickles they love and will sit down and eat the whole jar. So I bought 2 for them to each have their own jar of pickles to snack on this week. Extra mustard. Tortilla chips to go with the queso for the taco night. I think that this is a seasonal item. I think it's seasonal, but it's pickle flavored popcorn, and because my kids are so obsessed with pickles and popcorn, I thought that this would be something that they might like. It could also end up being really weird, so we'll give it a try. Normally I order Cliff Bars off of Amazon. If you've watched my grocery hauls, my kids blow through these Z bars. So my order comes, I think, on Monday. So I just bought a couple to fill in until that comes in. I'm filming this on a Friday, so a couple more days. I'd never seen these blue corn taco shells before. I don't know, my kids are really weird about things being their traditional color, so they might not like the fact that their tortilla shells are blue. We'll see. I didn't even see the regular ones this time though, so I don't know if they carry them anymore. My favorite granola. Pickles for sandwiches. Peanut butter filled pretzels. All my kids really like those. My husband likes to eat peanuts, but he specifically likes the 50% less salt roasted peanuts from Trader Joe's. I always get him a bag of those when I go. And then sliced olives for taco night. Move everything over here. They had California peaches. My husband likes peaches and my youngest son loves peaches as well. So they will definitely be excited that I got those. More lunch meat. My kids, I don't know if my kids have ever had mint chip ice cream before. I bought them ice cream cones at the beginning of the summer, like the actual cone itself from Trader Joe's, but we ran out of ice cream. So I got another one of these to give them ice cream cones outside in the evenings or as some sort of treat in the afternoon sometimes. Bacon for our breakfast. Pepperoni. We make pizza every Friday. I recently shared in a video how I make sourdough pizza crust. We have pizza every Friday. So I am going to be using that sourdough pizza crust and making some pepperoni pizza for the kids tonight. More bacon for the weekend. Another chicken fried rice. My teenage son loves lemonade, and this is just water, lemon juice, and sugar. When he was little, I used to make lemonade. I haven't done that in years. Maybe the next time I go to the store, I'll just buy the stuff to make it myself. I'll have to price it out, see if it is cost effective to do that. More lunch meat. Butter. I'm gonna make a quiche, and so I need butter to make my pie crust. My teenage son has a job, and oftentimes he's not home for dinner and will want something as a snack when he gets home from work. So I found these little pepperoni pizzas. I thought he could make them in the evening. A lot of times I make my own yogurt if I've got milk that's about to go off, but sometimes I don't feel like making yogurt from scratch, so I just bought some plain organic whole milk yogurt for my breakfast this week. This is my favorite sauerkraut. I'm the only person in my house that will eat this, but it's delicious. My youngest son, actually, I'll have to see if he's willing to try this. He's by far our biggest pickle fan, and this has pickles inside of the sauerkraut. If you've never had this before and you like sauerkraut, this is that's the best. Okay, household items. Looks like we've got one bag left here. These are cotton kitchen towels. I don't know what happens to my kitchen towels, but they always disappear. I always need more. And this is the perfect size to go over the top of my bread when it's rising, or pizza crust when it's rising. Oh, I picked up a 3-pack of these. I think it was $9.99 for the 3 of them. To serve with the sandwiches, I got these barbecue popped corn snacks. I got a birthday card for my husband. He always is the one that actually, I make the pizza crust. He's the one that assembles the pizza. So I had pizza on there. I thought that was funny. The kids hate eating pizza anywhere else because they always say that their dad makes the best pizza. So I thought he would think that's cute. A linen apron. This says that it's like a one size fits most apron, but if you look at the back, it wraps around. I thought that this was gonna be really cute. It's linen, a nice green color. So hopefully this works. I'm really short, so sometimes things like this that I can't cinch up around the neck can be problematic, and they're really long, but I'm always looking for a good apron, and I loved that that was linen. This is my teenage son's favorite bread. I got this. I wasn't sure if I was gonna make bread from scratch for our homemade deli sandwiches for dinner, so in the event that I decide not to make bread from scratch, I wanted to have a loaf of thick bread at home for those sandwiches. Organic celery. One of my kids loves celery and peanut butter for a snack. Bag of avocados. This is another snack for my husband. He likes this just mango, and I like that it's the unsulfured and it's unsweetened. So if you look on the back, it's just dried mangoes, which is what I like to get when I'm getting dried fruit like that. A couple more bars. This is to go on the Blackstone one night this week. We will just throw some chicken, this whole thing of the Asian style vegetables with stir fry sauce. And I have, let me grab it. These rice ramen noodles, these come from Costco and they're really good. So I think that to use up the last of this bag, I'm going to make these rice ramen noodles instead of just regular rice to go with the stir fry. Sometimes I make my own pizza sauce. I was looking through the pantry to see if I had the stuff to make it, and I probably could have thrown one together, but if I don't feel like it today, I wanted to make sure that we had some pizza sauce for our pizzas tonight. And 3 more bars. And that's it. That is this week's Trader Joe's grocery haul. Again, $237.50, I think is what I spent. But that includes the apron and napkins. The apron was kind of expensive. I think that it was $24.99. It's linen though, which is always more expensive, but aprons is one of those things that'll last for years. So I still think, assuming it fits, that that was a worthwhile purchase. That is going to wrap up this morning grocery haul, clean with me. I hope that all of you are having a great day. If you're new to my channel and you haven't done so already, you can subscribe by clicking on my face here. I'll include an entire playlist full of grocery hauls if that's something that you're interested in here, as well as a video that YouTube thinks that you would enjoy down here. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Bye.